The demons cannot understand that God can be a person. That is demonic. They cannot, because they cannot understand the difficulty. A demon tries to understand God comparing with him. Dr. Frog. That is the story of Dr. Frog. Dr. Frog is trying to understand Atlantic Ocean comparing with his 3 feet well. That's all. When he is informed that there is Atlantic Ocean, he is simply comparing with his limited space. It may be 4 feet, or it may be 5 feet, it may be 10 feet, because he is in 3 feet. His friend informed, "Oh, I have seen a reservoir of water, vast water." So that vastness is just conjecture. How much the vastness may be? My well is 3 feet. It may be 4 feet, 5 feet. Now he is going on. But he may go on millions of feet, still is still. That he doesn't. Therefore, atheistic person, demons, they think in their own way that God, Krishna may be like this, Krishna may be like this, Krishna may be like this. Generally they think that Krishna or I are the same. Krishna is not great. They do not believe that God is great. He thinks that God is as good as I am also God. This is demonic.